Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you cannot get notified for received files on Shareit. So let's get started. Firstly, open Shareit app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Then scroll until you find received files. Then turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you cannot get notified for received files on Shareit. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.